The last time we spoke about Hadera Hashgraph HBAR, I called it a Dino coin, and it appears that a lot of you actually took offense to that. Jeez, guys, a Dino coin is just simply a coin that's being traded now for, well, the past 4 or 5 years. That's essentially what they mean by Dino coin, the dinosaur coins. But anywho, Dino coin or not, we are here to make money. Now, the last time we spoke about HBAR, we were right here. And I know that some of you actually managed to capture a trade on HBAR, and if you did, you managed to capture a good 134% on that move. In fact, even after the pullback that HBAR is currently seeing, you're still up a good 2x on that trade. Now, here's why we were looking for prices to rally. Well, we actually triggered 2 massive bullish patterns. The first one is this double bottom formation, okay, the neckline to which came in at 12 cents. We saw a breakout right here in the last video. But in addition to that, we also saw this massive bull flag that was playing out on HBAR's chart, and this too actually triggered in the last video as well. We were here the last time we spoke about HBAR. Now, if we take the measured move of the bull flag and plot it on the break, where is this going to take HBAR up to? Well, we are looking at a target of around 57 cents. And guys, price getting up to 57 cents takes HBAR back up to its previous all-time high from the bull market of 2021. Now, from where price is at right now to 57 cents on that target, that's still going to be a good 81% to the upside. However, I do not want you guys to FOMO, all right? I do believe that we could be seeing a pullback opportunity sometime soon. I'll tell you exactly why, and I will also be giving you guys the bids. But before I do that, I just want to remind those of you who recently joined the Mango Seed Program, well, welcome to the Seed Program. As student 0 of the Seed Program, I can tell you this, the Seed Program is going to be a game changer for your entire trading journey moving forward. Now, if you're not already in the Discord chat, you get access to the private Seed server. However, every Thursday we have live mastermind sessions. People get out there and present amazing trade setups, amazing trade strategies, and trading systems, okay? So there's a lot of alpha in those sessions, so please join in. So if you got into the Seed Program, but you're not currently in the Discord chat, please reach out to either me or Sean, and we will shoot you access. Now, why do I believe HBAR is at resistance? Well, check this candle out right here. This is the daily candle of 3rd of December. This is a gravestone doji, textbook-like candlestick pattern right there. And oftentimes when you see this, this signifies immense selling pressure that came in at the top right there. This candle pretty much gave back all its gains from that day, okay? So this is a bearish tilt right now on the daily time frame, and which is why I'll be looking for a pullback opportunity. And not just that, if we get onto the Mango dashboard, app.mangoresearch.co, and look at the drop down, the trends in the volatility profile for HBAR, geez Louise, we got longs across the board. Look at the returns on HBAR. If you guys manage to catch any of these trend flips on HBAR, I mean, you're up significantly. On the daily time frame, you're up 559% of the move. That's crazy. It pretty much caught the entirety of it. However, volatility right now at 88, 99, 98, 99. It's too high. So now we're seeing this super high volatility. Every time volatility expands to these high red numbers, I usually look for signs of exhaustion. I never use it in isolation, so I'll look at this picture and then I get onto the chart to see if price is showing me a sign of exhaustion from the bulls. And well, yes it is, right? We got a gravestone doji right here. So this is one of the key signs of exhaustion right now that we're seeing on the chart. Question is there any other resistance that we can find at this 30-cent region? Well, if we get onto the weekly time frame, you can see that this was a minor region of resistance back here in 2021 and 2020. All right, you can see that as soon as this was a breakdown point actually, and in fact, prices have not lived over 30 cents since November 2021. Yeah. So this is a critical region of resistance where the bulls and the bears fought. So you can see right here too, this was another critical region of resistance back in May of 2021. So this is a massive region of contention and often a battleground between the bulls and the bears. Depending on who wins here is the side that wins the fight. So far, based on the daily picture, the bears are winning. So this is where I would often look for a pullback opportunity. So now we have a bit of confluence on the entire pullback thesis that we have, right? Because now dashboard is saying volatility super high, look for the pullback. Price currently up against that macro region of resistance at around 32 cents, and we have a gravestone doji. Everything screaming pullback, but now question where to from here? Well, get into the 1 hour time frame. We're actually currently seeing a breakdown of a descending triangle formation. A descending triangle on a technical standpoint is a bearish pattern. Now, if I go ahead and take the measured move of this pattern and plot it on the break, where is this going to take HBAR down to? It's going to take us down to 26 cents on the pullback. Is this enough though? Is this enough of a read to be like, okay, okay, the pullback is going to come in at 26 cents. No, we also have other objective indicators that we can use. Number one, get into the 12-hour time frame. I want to show you the system that's been working out like a charm. Turn on the Mango dynamic indicator. Ever since HBAR actually started its trend right here back in, the 6th of November, we've just been trending on the 12-hour dynamic, where in every visit of that dynamic support was picked up by the bulls. That's where the buyer stepped in. If you were a buyer on the 12-hour dynamic support, you were rewarded almost immediately on every single test. Now, we haven't gotten too many tests so far. We got one right here, and we got one right here. This too was putting in the descending triangle formation where we last spoke about HBAR. Now, another test of that region would be a great bid to capture. Why is it a great bid to capture? Because we have identified that this is a system that HBAR has been playing really, really well off of. Because if prices actually break that region of support, it breaks the 12-hour dynamic support, we know that we are wrong very fast on the trade, right? As soon as you know you're wrong on the trade, get out of the trade and then reposition. But at the very least, you know that price is doing something else and you get to get out with a minimal loss. Use your systems and your objective indicators to make your trades easy for you. That way you are stress-free on the trade and you're not there chart stirring, wondering, is this going to go against me or is this going to go for me? Only because you FOMO'd and you bought in the middle of the range. So we can draw on a range of support for ourselves coming in from the measured move of the descending triangle formation at 27 cents, going all the way down to dynamic support at around 24 cents. Any bid captured on this level would be an easy one to manage given how important of a level it is. It's been holding up the entire trend ever since HBAR actually started its rally right here on November 5th. Now, for those of you looking to take advantage of this trade, today is the last day of BitUnix's campaign where they're giving you $150 for free for a $200 deposit. The last day. So take advantage of it. You can use these funds to beef up your existing positions or even practice your leverage trading with. This is free money at the corner of the room, so grab it before it ends. I will be linking the campaign in the description below. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat with this trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.